Hi there, welcome to Friday's market commentary. And what a difference a week or two makes here. See the Dow closed up about 260 points today, NASDAQ 63, and the S&P up 30 points. Right here is a chart of the S&P. You see the support levels down here at 742. We're going to go with resistance up here right around 900 to 913. So this little level here is 900 and right here is about 913. So we're going to call those our support levels. Let's just make it easy and say 913 for support. Obviously 900, a nice round number, is probably going to be the first area we're going to need to break through before we can push up any higher. And investors do like to use those nice round numbers like that as psychological support and resistance levels. You can see that the MACDs here are getting stronger as the lines are heading higher here. MACD histograms are a little flat, but the actual lines of the MACDs are still getting stronger. That's a little bullish sign. And we are bouncing up off of support. And the good news is that after Monday we had some really heavy selling. It didn't finish off. The market was unable to follow through, which is a little bit more bullish than bearish, even though we had such a heavy day of selling on Monday. But because the market wasn't able to follow through with that, even though we had some really bad news on the unemployment rate this year and the Fed beige book this week, some really bad news, the market still managed to close up a little bit from Monday's heavy day of selling. So I'm going to go with this slightly neutral, only because we have to break above 900 before I go short-term bullish. So until that happens, I'm going to go with neutral short-term and then bearish longer-term with support at 741 and resistance around 900 to 913 on the S&P 500. All right, let's take a look at the NASDAQ and see how that looks. All right, here's our chart of the NASDAQ over here. Support down here at about 1295, and we're going to call resistance right up and through here at these last highs up here about 1535 for resistance levels. And the Nasdaq's moving its way back up through that level right now. And you can see the same thing happened on Monday. We had a nice big day of selling here, this large red down day. And even again with all the bad news, the market was unable to sell off and starting to push higher. And at 1509, it's getting really close to the 1535 resistance level. If we do break through 1535, we're going to go short-term bullish. But until that happens, we're going to have to remain a little bit more neutral because we have to see it break a resistance level before we can move into the next trading range. So for right now, we're going to call this short-term neutral, longer-term bearish, with support at 1295 and resistance right up through here at the 1535 level. I hope that helps. Keep an eye on news. News does have a tendency to change everything, and I wish you the best going forward.